Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for coffee shops and tea shops on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the search button down below in the left side corner of the screen and then tap on coffee and tea shops below the search bar. After that, you should type in your location. And here you will be able to check out the available coffee shops. If you want to, you can also apply filters by tapping on this filters button at the top on the left side. So you can apply the price range, you can sort them by the recommended options. You can sort them by distance, rating, or the reviewed ones. You can set meal and so on. Click on the apply button and then you will be able to check out the coffee shops. If you tap on it, you can see the attached pictures, opening hours, and other information as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.